All right. So today I've got the Money Origami Octagon UFO Frisbee Flicker. And it does fly. It flies awesome. Can't show you the model just this second. And I'm not going to fold the whole thing. What you have to do is go to the Money Origami display stand and fold it up to the 12-minute 30-second mark. And then come and watch this video. So at 12 minutes and 30 from the other video, you've got the top point tucked in. And what you do is you need a paper clip because, the money, it won't fly that easily without some weight. And so the standard size paper clip isn't big enough. You need the next size larger. I don't have another one, so I'm going to show you how to do it though. You unfold it and get some thick round object like a pen or a hobby knife handle, and you just start pushing it down. Watch out for the point. You just start pushing it down little by little, and you just keep going. That was too much. Until you make a nice circle. You can also use a pipe cleaner. It's pretty easy. Or one of those bag twist ties. But here's my larger size paper clip bent into a circle. And then what we do is take the model, and where the gap is in the paper, you put the gap of the paper clip or the twist tie or the pipe cleaner, whatever you're inserting to make it heavier, put that on the other end so that it doesn't come apart. And so that goes on the inside edge. And now you fold the model back as in the instructions in the other video, the Money Origami display stand. And we're just tucking these sides underneath the points. That's really all there is to it. Get it all tucked in. Oops, a couple of them came out there. Just, it's all in that other video to tuck it in properly. You just have a piece of wire inside instead. And then you close the gap as you push this in. Now you can put a tiny piece of tape there if you want, but the paper clip's just a tiny bit too big, I guess. You only need it domed up about that much. You just curve it, and if you practice with the model, yeah, paper clip's a little bit too big. I should have cut off a little tiny part of it. But I think everybody gets the idea. So a twist tie would be a little bit easier to manipulate. But you can't have it bent over inside. You can't have any extra length because the weight has to be balanced. And that's why there's a little gap here. It makes it weigh the same amount all the way around. And then it's kind of hard to throw like a frisbee, but it does fly and it works good. I've already played with this model for over a month. I started playing with it when I made the Money Origami stand, and it's pretty cool. And it also makes a great flicker with the weight in there. And so I hope you enjoy that one. Thanks for watching. I just thought I'd share the little extra thing you can do with the other model. All right. Have a great day.